Tomorrow is race day on the Schuylkill River in Philadelphia. Many of the high school teams are out there getting ready for tomorrow. The Kelly Drive has been very busy in the last few days with jeeps and trailers and trucks and trailers with gear to set up along the riverbank. As you can see, preparation is almost complete for tomorrow. So folks, grab a drink, your favorite snack, sit back, and let's enjoy some of the action along the river.